Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. This is my Sunday lunch, which is a simple chicken pulao that you can make in one pot. So this turned out really delicious, so you should definitely try it. The ingredients list is given below. And for more such recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell. So let's jump right in. So for this recipe, we'll start with marinating the chicken. I've got large pieces of chicken here which I've cleaned, into which I'm adding some ginger garlic paste and a whole lot of spices. That's turmeric, salt, Garam Masala powder, Red Chilli Powder and Coriander Powder. Now we're going to add some whisked curd into this. Let's mix everything together. And we'll let the chicken marinate for 30 minutes. So I'm also going to add some green chilies to this and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan I've heated some oil and ghee. The flame is on medium-high. Into this goes the whole spices. The list is given in the ingredients list. Then I add in the sliced onions and we'll saute the onions until they turn golden brown in color. You don't need to brown them too much, just light brown is sufficient. So once they're browned, add in the marinated chicken to the bowl. And we'll saute the chicken on high flame for 2 minutes. After which we'll reduce the flame and then keep sauteing it for another 5 minutes. So the chicken has nicely been sauteed. Now it's time to add the mint leaves. Again, saute it for a few seconds. After which we'll be adding the rice into this. So I've taken Basmati rice which I've already washed and cleaned and soaked for 10 minutes. I'm draining it and then adding it into the chicken. We'll saute the rice for a few seconds. Then let's add in water to this. So for 2 cup rice, I'm adding 3 cups water. I'm using normal room temperature water for this recipe. Then we add in some chopped green chili and coriander leaves on top. And also some Kewra water. You can use this if you have it. Otherwise, you can just omit this. Now we mix everything together and we'll bring the water to a boil. So mixed everything. Now let's cover and bring the water to a boil. So once the water starts boiling, just bring the temperature down to low and then we'll cover and cook this for 20 minutes. Keep checking every 5 minutes so that it doesn't catch to the bottom of the pan. After 20 minutes, your pulao will be ready. Just switch off the flame and let it rest for 30 minutes, after which you can serve it. So the delicious chicken pulao is ready to be served with some raita. So do try this recipe on your Sunday and let me know in the comments. I'll be back with a new recipe next time. Bye bye.